Hello everyone, welcome back. In this JavaScript interview questions and answer video tutorial, we will learn the important questions and answers of the JavaScript which is asked in the JavaScript interview questions. So this is the second series of the interview questions. So my first question is the prototypes in the JavaScript. So what are they? Actually, the prototype is kind of properties in the JavaScript, and they will allow you to add the new properties or add the new functions in your existing functions. So how, let's you have functions which have only three properties. First property is your name, and second property is your father's name, and third property is your state name. And now after the many times after the much more code development, you feel that I need a one more property which is nationality of the person. So you don't need to go back to your previous page, and here you have to add the new property which is the nationality. You can just simply add the person dot prototype dot nationality equal to nationality name. So this is a very easy, and it will save your time also. So as the same, you can add the new functions also here, just like in the same functions you want to make internal functions which will return the all values. So you can make a functions which will return the all properties of your functions. So for more detail, I have make a special video on this with the example. You can find it in the description box. So let's go to the next page. So can we define the object-oriented classes in the JavaScript? Yes, this is we can define the purely object-oriented way in the JavaScript. So this is if they will ask the syntax, you can show this syntax, just allow to the class and make a functions. You don't need to define here function keyword, just allow this and create a new object, and you can console this and it will return the hello functions. And a video on the class is also made by me for if you want with the example, and the link is also given in the description box also. So my many videos are which is made on the specific topic is given in the description box. You can check in the description box, here you will find the link. Okay, so next question is, what is the promises in JavaScript? So this is a very important questions, and most of the times interviewer asks you the question. So basically JavaScript is asynchronous language. So that you have the two functions, and first function will send the SMS and second function will send the emails. So let's suppose the SMS functions have too much functionalities, and it will take some time to give you response back. In this case, JavaScript will not going to wait for the response of SMS function. It will just execute the SMS functions and continue to the execution on the next function, and it will execute the next email function also. So that's fine in the case if they are function are not dependent on each other. But if the email functions need some property from the SMS functions, then it should have to wait. And if we want to that the JavaScript will wait the result of SMS functions, and it will then it will execute the second function after the response of SMS function. Then we have to use the promises. And if you want to know the simple definition is here. Promises is a way to define a function in such a way that we can synchronously control the flow, and after the promises they will not work in a asynchronous manner. And separate video, all the promises also given in the description box. Now, what are the anonymous functions? The functions which don't have any name. Like if we are normally make a function like function hello, and we will give the name hello and just make it. And when the function don't have any name, these kind of function called anonymous functions. And here you can see that the where hello save the anonymous function, and we can console the hello with the curly brackets or with the parenthesis bracket. So alright, so now the next question is, what is the ECMAScript? Actually from the last few years, a scripting language specification standard is actually international standard of the JavaScript, and many other languages also have defined standards, so that we have to use this standard to make the better performance and better reliability for code. So there is a many changes in the ECMAScript 6, which is the arrow functions and promises and let, const and classes also are given in the ECMAScript. So your code will be run without these standards, but if you use these standards, your code will be good and the performance is also better. So these are the 5 questions. In the next video we will learn the more 5 questions, which is very important for the in the interview time. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you want to learn the more questions like that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up to a video. And if you have any kind of suggestion, then don't forget to put me your question in the comment box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.